Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply see game stats of Steam, like how the game is doing. So what you want to do is really simple. Just right here, Steam charts into Google, and you can select the site steamcharts.com, and you can clearly see, you can clearly see the performance of each of the games. For example, like the Tom Clancy was doing really worse. They got more plays right now in the last 30 days. It's because it was summer sale. It's always peaking, but the game is like in my eyes really bad because there are plenty of cheaters. Then you get like Rocket League, and you can just search for your game. You can search like, I don't know, PUBG, right? You can see right here. And also it's still performing well. Like even when there is a huge competition in Battlegrounds, it's doing really well. That's fascinating, right? But that's probably it. And then we get like Rocket League here that is performing more and better and better. Look at this. Like this, many people said that this was the peak of December, September, but it's still doing well. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye.